In front of me is Motorola Edge 70, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. First of all, go into Play Store to download this app called Coffeine Keep Screen On from this developer. Not sponsored, by the way. When your app is ready, launch it. Hit OK in Welcome pop-up and tap on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on. Then go into Tap menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Now you need to edit your shortcuts. To do it, use this pen at the bottom right corner of this section. Scroll all the way down. Find Caffeine shortcut at the bottom and hold it to drag it to your currently used ones. Place it wherever you want to. Let go. Go back and click on it to activate it. As you can see, Infinite Sleep Time is on. To switch it off, tap on the same shortcut until it's black. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!